How to change name in Doomsday Last Survivor. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In Doomsday Last Survivors, if you are looking for a way to change your name, then you'll need a name card. If you've got a name card, you can easily change your name. First of all, launch open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device and go ahead and tap on your current avatar at the top left corner from the home screen. This will open the Commander info section where you need to tap the pencil icon on the top right. And now go ahead and enter your name in the text box. After typing in the name, make sure that you have entered the legal characters in the game. And once you do that, click on the OK button in purple at the bottom. Make sure that your name is unique. And once it is, you'll be able to change your name in the game. So there you have it. Changing your name in Doomsday Last Survivors is easy once you have the name change card. Without it, you can't change your name freely. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.